going to do some sharpening with my Dremel tool. So all of you knife purists, please back away from the weapons. Put down your torches. You don't need to storm the castle. I'm not going to sharpen my knife with a Dremel tool, but I am going to sharpen my digger here. Maybe both diggers, but at least the one digger. I told you about this digger before, the Black 80 digger. I like it, and I have sharpened it up some. You can almost see it here, but I haven't sharpened it up in this area very much because of the it's basically a serration, or I don't know if it's so large. I don't know if you can call it serration. Let's just say a wave form here. But I do have now the Dremel tool, which I had before. It was a Black & Decker version. This is the true Dremel tool, and I thought I'd use this little bit here and give it a first real try. Alright, I'm going to crank it up a little bit here. Let's see if we can actually get a little action here. Guys, I think that is considerably sharper. I'll get a little cardboard here. I don't want to be sharp enough to cut paper, but if I could just slice a little cardboard, it would be nice. Yeah, there it goes. It's not going to sharpen with a lot of razor, because I'm creating a very pointy edge, but then it thickens real quickly. So I'm just trying to get a little bit more of a dig into the dirt. And it was doing me pretty good with the way I had it, but I thought I would at least try the Dremel tool and step it up another notch. And not that impressive, but it's shiny. Anyway, I'll talk to you later.